Hi, we're going to work on 12.1, work together today. This is chapter 12 about payroll and calculating pay stubs. And so I'm going to show you in 12.1, work together, how to calculate a pay stub. And we're going to do a lot of multiplication here is what we're going to do. So to calculate the regular earnings of an employee, you take the regular hours worked times the rate of pay. So employee number one made $9 an hour. So this is a simple multiplication calculation where I'm taking the 40 times the rate of pay, and it should come out to $360. And then for overtime, our rate of pay is time and a half. It tells us that in the instructions. It says overtime hours are paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. So we will do a slightly different formula here. So hang with me. I take my equal sign and I take my regular hours and I'm going to hit the multiplication sign. And I'm going to do an open parenthesis and click on the regular rate and multiply times 1.5 and close parenthesis. So what this formula is telling me is I'm going to take the number of hours worked times the rate of pay to 1.5. And I just realized I need to change this entry. It needs to be C3, not B3, because I only want to capture overtime hours. Okay, and you can hit tab or enter, and it should say that we're going to pay employee 67.50 for the overtime pay. And the total earnings is simply just in our regular plus overtime to see what that employee will earn altogether. So this is a sum function. And I'm going to grab the cells that I want to add for the sum. That did not work. Let's try this. Sum. And tell it I want it to. That's just not working. Let's try it this way. Equals. Oh, now it wants to pop up. We're due the sum of E3 through F3. Yes. And copy that down. So then it's saying our total earnings for employee one is $427.50. So if you feel like you need more practice with that, you can certainly do it, but I'm going to just copy that down instead of typing calculation each time. If you're afraid you might forget how to do that formula, you can click on formatting. Nope. Let's try data. Well, there's a place, it's in Excel, I know, but where I can say show formulas, and it will show me what the formulas are used to create these. But you might just jot that down on your notes and guided reading or something if you're afraid you will forget how to type that particular formula into Google Sheets. But that's it for 12.1 work together. So go ahead and do 12.1 on your own and 12.1 application.